Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Yeah. Have y'all ever heard of American pickers picking the backwoods of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of Lonnie from Garage Flip Garage, whatever? Have you ever heard of the Cincinnati picker? Have you ever heard of Commonwealth picker? Have you ever heard of my boy, TP, Tesla picker from Kentucky? Well, I just want y'all to know that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey, I'm in this store, one of my favorite stores, and I'm looking around, and the first thing I saw, these PF flyers. You young school people don't remember these. That's all we used to have when we was growing up, PF flyers. I'm gonna see how much they work, but let me turn you around so you can follow me. Yeah, they got some new shelves over here. I've never seen these shelves before. They just put these in here. Let me see what's over here. Got some tennis rackets. See this one right here. That's a John Newcomb. I just saw one of them the other day. Pancho Gazelle. I've never seen this. Oh. Billie Jean King, $3. Usually they $2. I don't know why. Yeah, I know why. But anyway, let me pick this up. Sorry, y'all. Just dropped something. Let's walk around in there because I don't have that much time. Walk through the luggage. Sometimes you find good stuff in here, you know, as far as luggage is concerned. I haven't found nothing good in a long time though. Go this way. It's a Radio Shack. $3. Excuse me. Hey, young lady, what's going on?
Hey, not much. What's going on with you?
I don't know.
Well, I hear you.
I heard it was you, though. I heard it was you. I heard it was you that was going on. You know what I'm saying?
What's going on? I don't know.
What's going on, young man?
All right now, boss. How you doing?
Man, I don't know.
One of those days.
No, you young people know everything. You don't have no price on some of this stuff.
Show me. I give you a number.
What's the price on this garment? I don't even know what's in there. I ain't even opened it up.
What is this, Garmin?
Yeah.
Old navigation system.
Yeah, it's old.
Yeah, I know. Can you give me $3 for it?
Yeah.
Thanks.
I gotta open up to see if it's in there though.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
If it's in there, give me
I try not to give you no free stuff. No free money. You know what I'm saying?
I do. I feel you.
I try not to. But sometimes I feel like I'm giving you some free stuff.
Oh, that's okay. That's all right. Gravity, we understand.
Yeah, that's
There you go.
That's old school across the seas plug. Yeah, across the pond.
Yeah.
Yeah, I ain't going over there pretty soon, so it don't make no difference. Yeah, that's old school language.
Yeah.
You ever heard that in a while, young man? Old school language.
84 to 93, United States Navy.
Marine Corps, hoorah! Marines.
All right, my brother. All right.
Yeah. Yeah, y'all was a taxi cab.
And that's all right. If y'all needed Uber, we were there. I got you. I got you.
Yeah. I'm trying to rush through here.
So yeah, I've been across the pond.
Yeah, I'm trying to rush through here, but it's hard. Because I feel like I'm going to miss something.
Yeah, I feel you.
But I got to get out of here.
There's a lot going on here.
I've never seen one of these in a long time.
Wow.
A cookie jar?
I mean, yesterday.
Yeah, that's $8 though. I can't do that. I haven't seen one of them cookie jars in so long,
Yeah.
but I can't do it.
I think it's $8 because of brand recognition.
Yeah,
Kingdom
Disney.
of the Rat, you know.
Disney, yep.
Mickey's got to get his piece.
Yeah. Disney, he ain't getting a piece of today on me. We walk over here.
Yes, sir.
Hey, young lady. I don't know.
You doing all right? You
No,
shopping?
my lights up.
Oh, crap.
Yeah, my lights up. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna get to the car and tell y'all. I'm gonna get to the car and show y'all what I got. Right now, you know, I'm over electronics. And I need my hands clear so I can look some stuff up. I'll get back with y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all what I got. You know, I got those pair of fly tennis shoes. Y'all know I got those because I sold them to you. I got these 3 tennis rackets. Okay, this one right here is a Pancho Gonzalez wooden tennis racket. I don't know how much I can get for this. I got a Pancho that's been on there for a long time. But this one was $3. Usually I pay $2 for tennis rackets. It's in pretty good shape. You know, it's got the wooden bracket on there to keep it from bowing. I don't know, I'm gonna have to research that to see how much I can get for that. Okay? I got this Billie Jean King signed. It ain't no real autograph, but sometimes these signed ones go for a little bit. It's by Bancroft tennis racket. I saw the Billie Jean King before. It wasn't this model, but this $3. I don't know how much I can get for this. It ain't bent or nothing, but I'm gonna research it. $3. Then I got a John Newcomb. I just sold one of these the other day for $16. Okay. This is different. It's $4. Usually I pay, like I said, I pay $2 for tennis rackets. I don't know, but I like buying tennis rackets. You know, I probably got about 30 of them I need to list, but I like buying tennis rackets. I bought this old Garmin. I paid $3 for it. I don't know how much I can get, but it's in this box and it's not new, it's used. Okay. All right, y'all. Well, y'all been with me today through a thrift store, one of my favorite thrift stores. The other's in the background. Yeah, St. Vincent's. But yeah, I just want y'all to know, you know, if y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up. If y'all don't like it, give me a thumbs down, whatever. Don't do that though. Don't give me no thumbs down. Subscribe though. Y'all can subscribe, get my damn viewership up. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I just want y'all to know that we pick in the hood too. Yeah, peace.